Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tzatziki sauce at home. Let's start by gathering our simple, fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of thick Greek yogurt, 1 medium cucumber, 2 cloves of garlic, and a handful of fresh dill. Also, have on hand a tablespoon of good quality olive oil, a teaspoon of red wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt. These components are key to achieving that authentic, refreshing flavor we all love. The secret to a thick, creamy tzatziki lies in proper cucumber preparation. First, peel and grate your medium cucumber using the large holes of a box grater. Next, and this is crucial, place the grated cucumber in a clean kitchen towel or paper towels and squeeze out as much liquid as possible. Removing this excess water ensures your sauce remains wonderfully thick and doesn't become diluted, giving you that perfect consistency. Now for the fun part, combining everything. In a medium-sized bowl, add your 1 cup of thick Greek yogurt and the well-drained grated cucumber. Mince 2 cloves of garlic very finely and chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Add these to the bowl, along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, and a generous pinch of salt. Gently stir until all ingredients are thoroughly combined and evenly distributed. Almost there. Once your tzatziki is mixed, cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is essential as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and refreshing taste. Before serving, give it a quick stir, taste, and adjust any seasonings if needed. Serve your homemade tzatziki with pita bread, grilled meats, or as a delicious dip.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.